Hello, all of my students. This is part 3 of your hyperlinks, okay? And remember I said we were going to hyperlink to PowerPoint using a graphic. So this will be the first time that you've done this. So make sure that you're on the quarter 3 sheet, which I think you should be. Now, click once on this picture, okay? Picture or graphic, whichever you want to refer to it as. And I want you to right-click. Whoa, hold on here. Right-click and go to hyperlink. All right, and now this time we want to say existing file or web page, and that's what's there, so that's good. Also, your folder teaching hyperlinks is likely up there for you, and we want to find the PowerPoint file called XX Advanced Tours. Okay, there, do you see PowerPoint, the P for PowerPoint, XX Advanced Tours, and my screen tip is going to be click here to view the PowerPoint. Click here to view the PowerPoint called XX ADV Tours. Okay, so click here to view the PowerPoint called XX Advanced Tours. All right, click OK. And click OK. Now, when you use a graphic, you see that it's still selected and all you see is the four-headed arrow, and you can see the screen tip. But click in a blank cell, now go back to the graphic, and now do you see you can see your hand and it can act like a hyperlink. Before it still was as a graphic. So now you see the hand, left click once, and PowerPoint should open. Mine's taking a few minutes. And hold on here, you can't see it, so wait till I bring it over. And there's the PowerPoint presentation on your screen. So that's how easy it is. All right, we don't want the PowerPoint now, so we can just close out. And where are we? We're back to our quarter 3 sheet. Go Control S to save. Now, this time, what we're going to do is we're going to create a hyperlink to a website. So I want you to go to, you're still in quarter 3, go to cell A14, and I want you to type in there help for email hyperlinks. All right, help for email hyperlinks. Press enter, and now go back to A14 and make sure that you're in cell A14. All right, so what we want to do now, before we go to our hyperlink, we want to make sure that we've been to the website that we want and we can copy the URL. So I want you to go to the internet right now and click on a new tab, and I want you to say how to create email hyperlinks in Excel 2016. So how to create email hyperlinks in Excel 2016. So press enter and let's see what you come up with. Okay, I think you'll come up likely with similar things to me. And you see this one here, it says work with hyperlinks in Excel, excelsupport.office.com. I want you to go to that site. All right, so click on that. I mean, if you choose another one, that's fine too. Click on that site. Now, we want to select the URL. So select all of this. All right, select the URL. Go Control C to copy. All right, now come back to Excel. All right, okay, so now you can right click and you can go to hyperlink. All right, so now this time we want still the existing file or web page, but we want to go to the address. You want to tell the computer where to go to. So you're going to go Control V and you paste it in the URL. All right, now your screen tip, we want to put that on and we want to type in here, click here for more information, on email, oh, I made a mistake, on email hyperlinks. Okay, click here for more information on email hyperlinks. All right, say OK and say OK. All right, so now let's try it. Click on your hyperlink, and there you are to the URL where we went to. Work with hyperlinks in Excel, and then you can choose the items that you want. Okay, that's good. That's all there is to connect to a website, so it's very simple. So I'll close out of there. I don't need to do that anymore, or that one, and close out of here, and I want to go back to my Excel. All right, so I'm back in my Excel, and there's your hyperlink. All right, what I'm going to do with you now is I'm going to create an email, and I'm going to show you that we'll get blocked and we can't go any further, but that's okay. I want you to see it. Okay, so click in cell A16, and let's just put in the word send email. Okay, we're going to say send email. All right, press enter, and then go back and make sure you're in cell A16. All right, so I want you to right click, go to hyperlink, and this time you are going to choose email address. All right, so you want to put in a proper email address. I'll put mine in, and then what'll happen is it's not going to go anyways. So Lee Mansell at, no, it's not Lee Mansell, it's L Mansell at WSD1.org. Okay, and it says send email. The subject is, I'm going to say suggestions for teaching hyperlinks. Okay, after you've done this, you might have some good ideas. All right, so screen tip. I'm going to put the screen tip in here, as we always do, and we're going to say, click here to send an email. Click here to send an email with your suggestions. Okay, click here to send an email with your suggestions. All right, say OK. So everything is ready to go. All right, click OK. Now, if I click here, which I will, and then it's going to come up and it's going to say add an account, and I don't want to do any of that stuff, so close, and we're going to stop there. Okay, we're not going any further. So that's what you can do, but as I say, for our own security, the school division stops us there, and so we'll just stop, and that's the end of it. Okay, so you've done parts 1, 2, and 3 of your hyperlinks, and you've done hyperlinks within the documents and outside. So I hope that this has been good learning for you. Thank you.